Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Anchor Wallet application for your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Anchor Wallet. Once you get to the search result, look for this application from Graymass Inc. Anchor Wallet is a next-generation authenticator powered by blockchain technology. It is a secure and private way to store and manage your private keys. If you are looking for a secure and private way to store and manage your private keys, then Anchor Wallet is a great option. Tap on the Get button and enter your Apple ID credentials or log in with your Face ID, and you will be able to download the application. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone, which will only take a few minutes, and once it's done, open the application like you normally do. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the app on your device. You can now go ahead and create a new account or add an existing one and get started with it. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.